What's up, everybody? It's your girl Richay here, back again with another video. I did forget to record the intro on this, unfortunately, but I am going back and re-recording it. Basically what happened was my client gave me a whole bunch of pants to sew. She wanted skirts out of her jeans pants, and she gave me 2 pictures that she wanted, and I basically created 3 of each picture. So this is going to be a 2-part series. You're going to see the first design, which is this one right here, and then in the next video you'll see the other design, and I can't wait to show you guys what I did. And yeah, let's go on to it. Just a real quick disclaimer, everyone. I am aware that I am not the first YouTuber to do this, and I am not claiming credit on being the first one to do this. I'm sure if you looked up any kind of YouTube video on how to turn jeans into a skirt, you'll find quite a few of these. But I already recorded it before I actually looked it up, and yeah, I'm posting it because I worked really hard on it. So enjoy. Alright, so these are the pants we're going to be working with today. My client's measurements are right up here, and this is what we're going to build with it, this skirt right here. So what I basically did was I measured the waistband, and it matches her natural waist. These are low-rise jeans, so of course they weren't going to match her hip waist. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep that the exact same, and since we're making it in a skirt, it should fit her natural waistline up here. I went ahead and measured down to her 16-inch requirement because that's how long she likes her skirts. And I'm going to go ahead and cut straight across. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to put these 2 away because we don't need them. Yes, this is my Cookie Monster band-aid. And then we're going to seam rip open the inseam. Alright, so now that I have it seam ripped, I'm going to turn it inside out and I'm going to sew up the back. So this is it inside out, this is the side, this is the back, this is the front. And what I'm going to do is you're going to take your pins and you're going to mark straight down, not straight down, at an angle, just like that. And you're going to sew at that angle. So put your pins in and then chop this side off. So I marked all the way down straight. You're going to sew on that and take that off. Alright, so now that you've sewed down the back, we're going to go ahead and cut straight down, of course, but right now I'm going to go ahead and work on the front. So all I'm doing is folding one over the other. I already pinned that part, but I'm basically just going to sew straight down. And that's your skirt. Of course we're going to fray the edges, but we'll get to that in a second. I did try it on, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to continue the front thread all the way down. This was a little tight on her and she couldn't move her legs, so she requested a triangle slit in the front. So I cut that about 2 inches up, and then of course I did my black seam straight stitch all the way around the bottom, about 1/2 inch. And then I'm going to take my shears right here and I'm going to go ahead and make tiny little slits all the way around so I can fray it. But for now, we're going to finish this and go all the way down to about this point with it. I'm going to take my shears and I'm going to make little slits, being careful not to cut the actual thread. And I'm just going to go all the way around. So here is what the skirt ended up looking like after I cut slits at the bottom of it. You will need to throw it in the dryer and the washer and the dryer a couple times, just because fraying it by hand just takes too long personally. Now you will notice that it does look a little bit different from the original, and that is because these jeans are actually stretchy, and I would always recommend getting a actual jean fabric that is not stretchy and is slightly bigger than your actual body shape. That way it does look closer to the actual picture. So unfortunately I didn't get a picture of her wearing the dark colored denim. However, she did have me make this in a white colored denim. So here's a couple pictures of that. The process is the exact same. So that's what I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm sorry for my messy bed and my messy room. It's fine, it happens. Yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow all of my socials. They're at Okayrichay. And let me know what you want to see next time in the comments. Talk to me. I'm bored here, kind of lonely. Yeah,